We are members of the National Air Duct Cleaner Association, and we follow their strict code of ethics to make sure the job is done correctly. We wanted to make a video today to show you a little bit about our duct cleaning procedures. The first thing that we do when we get to the house is we locate the HVAC unit. A lot of times they're located in the attic or in the crawl space or outside. We have a 25 horsepower negative air machine. We run a 10-inch in diameter vacuum line going from our negative air machine to the HVAC unit. We will fasten that to the unit and we start our machine up. When we start our machine up, it puts the whole system under negative pressure. So what that means is that when you go to all the vents associated with that HVAC unit, if you put your hand over the vents, you're going to feel vacuum on it. What that vacuum does is it helps out in two different ways. First of all, how it helps out is that when we start cleaning out the ductwork, nothing will ever come back inside the house because the system's under a constant negative pressure. Second of all, how the negative pressure helps us out is that when we start cleaning out the ductwork, we use positive pressure. The positive pressure is 200 pounds of compressed air that's ran off a truck-mounted air compressor. We have different types of agitation tools that are hooked on 1/4-inch rods that can snake up to the ductwork up to 100 foot. We go to each room, we take down a register. Once we get the register cleaned and sanitized, then we start agitating the ductwork, pushing everything towards our negative air line. Between the positive pressure from the tools and the negative air pressure from the negative air machine, it helps to clean the system out. We repeat this process to all the vents inside the house. Once all the vents are completed, then we disconnect and we hook up to the return side of the system. The return side is where you put your filter at. We do this side separately because we don't want to draw anything through the return side through the coil of the HVAC unit. But it will be done the same way. Negative pressure on one end, coming through the other end with positive pressure, pushing everything towards the negative air line. After we get all the ductwork cleaned out, then we clean out the HVAC unit. We pop the access panels off and we do the coils, the condensate pan, the blower motor, the interior housing. Everything inside the HVAC unit will be cleaned and sanitized. After we're through cleaning out the HVAC unit and all the ductwork, then we sanitize the system. We have different types of sanitizers depending on what the issue is at the house. After the sanitizer has been induced in the system, it will dry in about 15 minutes. We do specialize in residential and commercial air duct cleaning. Our services also include duct sanitizing, dryer vent cleaning, and vapor barriers.